welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be treating my bleached hair with a DIY hair mask. So you guys can check out the ingredients in the description section so y'all can see what the hair mask consists of. To be honest, I don't know why the texture came out watery, like why? Because like this is not my first time doing this hair mask at all. Like this is like the 4th or 5th time. And like right when I was like, you know what, let me make a video on this, like it just had to went left, but the show must go on. However, the texture of the hair mask should be like creamy or like a puddingy, you know, type of consistency. But I'll put all that in the description section so you guys, you know, could get the perfect texture when you try it at home. Anyways, let me update y'all on my bleached hair journey. So far, it's been pretty good. The only thing that could be annoying is making sure that it's moisturized. Because you guys know that dry hair and bleached hair doesn't go well together. So 1 week I'll probably do like a deep conditioning treatment. And the next week I'll probably do like a protein treatment. Either way, the hair mask that I'm using now is a protein treatment. Yeah. Because it has eggs, mayonnaise, you know, protein. Yeah. As I was saying, I've been on my bleached hair journey for probably like 3 months now. Next month will make it the 4th month. Yeah, 4th month. First, I started off as brassy, and I was like, you know what? I want to go to ashy. My main goal was ashy, to be honest. But I didn't want to overdo it because I wasn't sure on how my hair would handle the bleach in a way. So I eased into it. Oh yeah, shout out to a very close friend of mine because she bleached my hair. She did it from the beginning to the end. She did an amazing job. Like, she could be a professional at this, but she playing. Like, she literally playing. But thank you, friend. On the real though, I'm gonna start measuring my stuff because I literally was making a mess that day. Like, I think I put too much oil in the hair mask, but oh well. Anyways, you guys, I'm done talking for now. But if you guys want more details on my bleached hair journey, let me know. I could make a video for you guys if I could just put all the details in one video. So just let me know. And like give a big thumbs up, especially for my friend who did a really good job. Let her know that she did a good job in the comment section. You know, let me know how you guys feel with the color on me. So yeah. After I twisted my hair, I just got a plastic bag and let the treatment sit in for like about 30 minutes. And after that, I just rinsed it out thoroughly and moisturized. You'll see in the video. So this is my hair after I rinsed it thoroughly and conditioned it. The treatment left my hair pretty soft and a bit silky. Yeah, it was moisturized. Now it's just time to lock that moisture in. Okay, for the leave-in moisture, I'll be using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench, whatever you want to call it, and some shea butter and coconut oil. You guys will see in the video. Okay, so now I'm just gonna braid it because I want to rock a braid out after it's completely dry. Now you're just gonna let it dry. Either you could blow dry it till it's completely dry, or let it air dry for a day or two so your braid out can come out really crisp and sharp. Okay, so this is me the next morning. I had work, so please excuse my early morning, gotta get ready for work face. But yeah, I blow dried my hair, but some of the parts weren't 100% dry. So just make sure that your braids are like 100% dry, so the braid out could be like crisp and sharp, you know, looking very defined. Finally, I'll be holding down my edges with Morphos. Yeah, so far it's been working pretty good for my thick, stubborn, and rolly, bossy edges. So yeah, I like it. Anyways, once you've done laying your edges, you just want to pick it out or play with it and puff it out until it's in the form that you want it to be in. And by the way, let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching my video. Peace out, baby.